No sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir.
Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I said
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I am just getting off work. We're going to swing by Sherwin-Williams because they do have 40% off paint sale. They have this sale like ever so often, maybe like once every 2 to 3 months. So if we don't make our decision by tomorrow, we're still good because this sale is coming back around again. So I'm looking to change up some things in the house. Y'all know I love doing my DIY projects, and I have some paint projects that I need to finish, and there are some that I want to start. So we're gonna go in here and just pick up some of those paint little swatch cards just to get an idea as to where I'm going with the new project area, which is going to be the guest room. I want to go with moody browns for that room, and I also want to finish the gray trim job that I did in my bedroom, which I finished it, but you know, that was just the swatch sample paint. You know, you can use that, but you want to go over it with the real paint because it's so easily to be scratched and rubbed off, and you can actually take it off the surfaces with soapy water. So you want to lock it in. So that's what we're going to do now that we know that we've lived with the color for a year and we love it. Let's go ahead and lock this thing in. Let's make it official. So we definitely got to get a gallon of that. Hewlett Ore is the name of that gray trim color that I've used. I absolutely love it. So we definitely need that. And then I'm looking at a pink, and I'm looking at some browns. We need 2 shades of browns for the contrast that I'm looking for the bedroom. So we're pulling up now. I want something pink, but not super pink for the living room. I think that'd be pretty. Here's a pretty brown color palette. Y'all, Breathless. It almost looks white, but it's pink. This might be it. All right, so we got some nice swatches to think about. Okay, so now that we're home, here are the colors that I picked for the living room. What do we think of these? All right, Scouty, which one do you like? You gonna pick one? He said it don't matter to him. But pinky beige really just, it doesn't have much pink in it now that I got it home. I don't know. Which color? Which one you picking? Breathless? You like that one? Scouty picked that one. He picked Breathless. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm thinking for the guest room. Okay. In comparison to the curtains, these are the colors. I'm thinking almond roca and baked cookie. Those look really good. The almond roca would be the main wall color. Baked cookie would be the trim color. All right, we picked up a new cordless vacuum from our good friends over at Feppo of Amazon. Of course, it'll be linked down below for your shopping pleasures. If you've never had a cordless vacuum, girl, you're missing out. These are definitely great to have. So we picked up a secondary one because, girl, I needed one, trust me. But I needed it. Let me go ahead and get it set up and, yeah, I'll show it to you. Okay, let me drop in to say that putting this together is super easy. You can use the instructions, but you really don't need to. It's super self-explanatory and easy to do. You do get an extra filter. You get the charging port, which is set up for you to screw it onto the wall for storage. It looks good that way, but I know some people don't like to screw things into the wall, but either way it still works if you don't, as it pertains to charging it. So you can either hang it on the wall or not. It's up to you. But yeah, putting this together is super easy, but just make sure that you're storing it in a place that you keep up with your attachments. I know that can be a thing once you don't have your place set up, like a designated place set up. You tend to misplace your attachments, so just make sure you know where you're storing them, and voila, we have it all together and it looks great. It took just about 5 or 6 minutes. All right, let's use this bad boy. But let's go ahead quickly and convert it back to the handheld stage. Oh, I'm so excited. These are the attachments that you would need to use it as a handheld vacuum, okay? To get into those creases and crevices of the couch. Lego. Y'all, it's the hair for me. OMGG. Look at all the dust and pet hair. Feppo for the win, y'all. Definitely has great suction. It just works well. I love the different features. I love the handheld feature to get deep into the crevices and cushions of the couch. This is just money well spent. And not to mention you can use this in the car. All right, so now we don't have to go to the car wash. We can vacuum our car at home.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
All right, girl, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video just as much as I enjoyed bringing you Feppo's latest cordless vacuum cleaner. Girl, that thing is actually top tier. It's better than my old one. I absolutely love it, especially that telescopic reach because it's longer than my old one. And girl, it fits under the couches with ease. The light on front is brighter. I just love it. And not to mention the suction is everything because girl, with Scouty in the house now, I definitely, most definitely need that, okay? Because that was enough hair in that thing to create a blonde pixie cut wig. But anyway, y'all, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there'll definitely be another video. Bye.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.